In this video, we're going to show you how you can uninstall and completely remove Google Chrome from your laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech how-tos. Maybe you've switched to another browser or you just don't use Chrome anymore. Either way, here's how to fully remove it. To begin, go ahead and make sure Google Chrome is fully closed. To double check, you can look on this search bar icon right here, and as you can see, I do have Google Chrome opened right now. Just go ahead and close it in your circumstance. On top of that, you can also go ahead and go to the search bar right here and type in Task Manager and open up this system right here. Find Google Chrome on here, click on it, and then right click on it and then hit End Task. This ensures that Google Chrome is fully shut down. But now that Chrome is closed, go back to your search bar again and type in Settings. And once you're in the Settings menu, click on the Apps section. This is going to be located on that left-hand section. You're going to want to find Installed Apps up at the top. Open that, and then just type in Chrome in this little search bar. Click these three dots in the right corner and then hit Uninstall. And then you'll be asked to confirm. Just simply follow the prompts and agree to any security pop-ups that appear. And wrap it up one last time by hitting uninstall one more time, and that's it. Google Chrome is now going to be removed from your computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Have a great day.